Hello. Storm Doris is on the way, causing problems, particularly tomorrow morning. We have warnings in force, a couple of amber, be prepared warnings in force for wind and snowfall. There'll also be some heavy rain too. We've had some very windy conditions from this area of low pressure, but it's out in the Atlantic where Doris is forming. Doesn't look much at this stage, but as we run through the rest of Wednesday evening and overnight, well, that storm really intensifies, zipping through the heart of the UK during the course of Thursday. On its northern flank, some snow, and in the south, severe gales. Heavy rain in many places as well, but there will, as I said, also be the potential for scenes like this, if not worse, with some snow, particularly over central and southern Scotland, snow and strong winds. That means blizzards. Now, it's been very windy through the course of today across northern Scotland. The wind's easing down a little bit here. We've got some sunshine around across parts of eastern England, eastern Scotland, but further south and west, much more cloud. And this band of rain is the first sign of Doris arriving. It is pretty mild out there, again, across the south. Further north, it's a little cooler, but we do have some sunshine. However, the main focus has to be this line of cloud leading into the storm, bringing some very heavy rain across Northern Ireland. That's the first area for concern. And then you can see that pushing, hitting the colder air across Scotland, bringing some snowfall through the early hours and particularly through tomorrow morning's rush hour. For the south, it's a really mild night again, temperatures for some staying in double figures. But tomorrow we'll all see some heavy rain and some very strong winds circulating around the low pressure system as Doris moves through. There's the snow still falling through the morning across central and southern Scotland, parts of northern England too, and then some very gusty winds across northern England, Wales and the Midlands, and particularly in the afternoon across eastern England also. Let's break it down piece by piece. We start with heavy rain in Northern Ireland. Let's zoom in and focus in on that snowfall across parts of Scotland through the night and tomorrow morning. How much could we see? Well, as much as 5 centimetres, even to low levels, 10 to 20 centimetres widely over the hills, and there are plenty of hills in this area. We could see as much as 30 centimetres. Central belt may well be affected, and right across southern Scotland into northern England, some pretty treacherous travelling conditions during Thursday morning. Now let's focus in on the winds, because some of the strongest winds will be across England and Wales. A blustery day along the south coast, but some of the strongest winds likely through the morning across North Wales, northwest England, in around these Irish Sea coasts. But then some strong winds work their way over the Midlands into eastern England come the afternoon. Gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour around coasts and over hills. 80 miles an hour. Those sort of winds could easily cause problems to high-sided vehicles. Certainly we're expecting some ferry disruption through the Irish Sea. There may well be trees down, possibly even some structural damage too. So again, there is an amber warning in force for the strength of the winds. It's going to be a stormy spell of weather, severe gales, heavy rain and for some snowfall. All the weather warnings are on the Met Office website. Please do keep checking with those, and we'll continue to keep you updated on the progress of Storm Doris.